Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very simple hat with knit stitch and with pom-pom. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. If you use thinner and softer yarn, then you can crochet the wall cap with the same size from crochet hook, but for video I will crochet with this thicker yarn, and for this yarn is M-fill crochet hook 5mm, but I will my cap crochet with 3 crochet hooks. The thinner 4.5mm is for this part, it's this one. Very thicker 8mm for this middle part, it's this one. And middle crochet hook 6.5mm for this part, it's this one. If you use another yarn, then you must use another sizes from crochet hooks. Together I have 38 stitches plus 1 chain stitch on the side, and first 10 stitches I crochet with thinnest crochet hook, middle part with thickest crochet hook, and this part with the middle crochet hook. If you use another yarn, then you need more stitches. The chain stitches I crochet 2 with the 3 crochet hooks. First 10 stitches with the thinnest crochet hook. I start with the knot stitch and crochet 10 chain stitches. Nine and 10. Next 14 stitches with the thickest crochet hook. And last 14 stitches with the middle crochet hook. And 14 and 1 chain stitch. And now first row, skip the first stitch and we crochet in these loops, and we crochet double slip stitches. Yarn over through this loop, pull yarn, crochet hook to the front and crochet hook to the back, and again yarn over, pull yarn to the front, to the back, and next one, yarn over, pull yarn to the front, to the back, and we crochet with this crochet hook 14 stitches. Thirteen and 14. Now I put the thickest crochet hook and crochet next 14 stitches. The same, pull yarn to the front, to the back. Thirteen and 14. And last 10 stitches with thinnest crochet hook, but I crochet 5 double slip stitches, four and 5, and last 5 normal slip stitches, pull yarn and through this loop. Four and 5. second row, chain 1, but this chain stitch I make a little bit smaller, pull this back yarn and pull yarn. Now turn to the left, and first 5 stitches I crochet slip stitches only in this back loop. 1, 2, 4, and 5, and next 5 stitches I crochet double slip stitches, but I have 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, and I crochet in these very first loops. Yarn over through this loop to the front, to the back. To the front, to the back. And 5. Now chain crochet hooks, the thickest, and next 14 stitches with this crochet hook, and 14, and again chain crochet hook, the middle, and last 14 stitches with this crochet hook. And the last stitch I crochet through these 2 loops. Yarn over through this loop, pull yarn to the front, to the back. Next row, chain 1, I make this chain stitch smaller, pull yarn and turn to the left, and again in these very first loops, first 14 stitches with the same crochet hook, and 14 thicker crochet hook, again next 14 stitches, and 14, and now thinnest crochet hook, next 5 stitches double slip stitches, and last 5 stitches normal slip stitches. And the last stitch I crochet only through the 1 loop. Again chain 1, pull, turn, and this is my knit stitch. You can crochet so many rows. How many do you need? I crochet 82 rows for my hat. See you later. I crocheted 82 rows and now looks like this, and finish work so that the starting yarn is here on the left side and last stitch on the right side. Cut this yarn and leave maybe 40 cm long. Pull yarn. With this yarn I will sew both sides together. I put both the sides together and sew together. On this side I sew together these back loops. Here is the first, and on this side is the first row through these two loops, and again back loop and here, and sew to the end. Sew yarn end on the back side. This is the back side, and now turn the work, and here is the front side. Now I put another yarn and sew this above side around, but I will pull this side together. It's very simple, always between two rows. And sew again here. Now looks like this, and I pull these yarns together and close the hole. And in the end, knot these two yarns and sew yarn ends on the back side. Now looks my cap like this. I have thicker yarn, therefore I have here a little hole, and now I will make a pom-pom. I put a thicker paper. Here I have 3 and 3 centimeter. Here 4 and 4. If you want bigger pom-pom, I put yarn and wind the yarn. Now I have enough. Cut this yarn, and I put another yarn. I pull through this hole and here, and knot these yarn ends. Only one more time, and now cut this side and this side with the scissors. And now I knot these two yarns very strong. And we cut the pom-pom in good shape. Now looks the pom-pom like this, and with these two yarns I sew pom-pom on the cap. And the cap with the knit stitch is finished. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.